What's up? It's Kainu back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your default PDF browser, but let's get into it. All right, so here we are on the Windows 11 desktop. What you're going to do is come down to the Windows search bar down here at the bottom, and you're going to type in default apps. Once you type in default apps, this should pop up. You're going to click on it. Once you click on that, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to click on choose defaults by file type. Once you click on that, this little search bar pops up and you're going to type in PDF and then press enter. Once you press enter, this is going to be your default PDF application. Right now I have it on Adobe Acrobat. When I click on it, I can change it to Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Google Chrome. In this instance, I'm going to click on Google Chrome, and that'll be my default PDF browser for now on. But now all you have to do is close out of this and you're good to go, and you have Google Chrome now as your default PDF browser. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down in the comments section, and then make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to take it easy.